Question number 5, exercise 6.3. Question number 5 is, for each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied to so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. What you have to do here, firstly you have to tell the smallest whole number by which the given number should be multiplied so as to make a perfect square. The numbers which are given here, they are not perfect square. वो perfect square नहीं है, that means they can't be written in the form of can't be written in multiply of two same numbers. आपको उनको पहले perfect square बनाना है, then you are to find out the square root of the given number. ठीक है? Firstly, what you have to do here, you have given 252. सबसे पहले आपको बताना है by which number this number should be multiplied to make it a perfect square. सबसे पहले आपको बताना है कि इस नंबर को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बन जाए. ठीक है? सो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनने के लिए द नंबर शुड बी इन पेयर्स, मतलब एक नंबर 2 टाइम्स रिपीट होना चाहिए, राइट? One single number should be repeated 2 times. So how we will check it? Firstly, we will do the prime factorization, right? So it will go on to 1, 2, 6. Again it's even, it will go on to 6, 3. Now it will go on 3, 21, again 3, 7, and the last 7. So we can write 252 as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. We need to tell by which number this number should be multiplied. It's clearly visible कि आप इसको किससे multiply करें. 2 is 2 times, 3 is 2 times, but the 7 is single here, right? So we should multiply the given number by 7. अगर एक और 7 आ जाएगा तो ये पेयर में हो जाएगा, और पेयर में होते ही 250 ये नंबर क्या हो जाएगा, दिस लेफ्ट हैंड साइड नंबर will be a perfect square, right? We need to make it in pairs. आपको इसको pairs में करना है, convert pairs में लेकर आना है. तो 2 is already 2 times, 3 is 2 times in pair, 7 is already lone, so 7 should be one more time to make it a perfect square. So क्या करेंगे, 252 को 7 से multiply कर देंगे. The number should be multiplied by 7. If we multiply the number by 7, then here we will get one more 7, right? Multiply it by here. 1764 is equal to, right? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. ठीक है? अब हमें क्या करना है? Now we have found 7 is the number required smallest number by which number 252 should be multiplied to make it a perfect square. फिर आपके पास perfect square आ गया 1764. इस सब pairs में है, तो we can say 1764 is a perfect square. So perfect square है तो उसका square root भी बता सकते हैं. We need to find out its square root now. What will be the square root? 2 multiply 3 multiply 7, right? It should be written single time. 3 into 2, 6 into 7, 42, right? Next part is 180 here. Like here you are to tell by which number this number should be explained, this number should be multiplied by which number to make it a perfect square. सबसे पहले बताना है 180 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें. तो कैसे चेक करेंगे? प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से. It will go on to 90, then again it will go on to 45. Now it will go on 3, 15. Now it will go on 5, sorry, again 3, 5. The last one is left 5. So we can write down 180 as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, right? Here, yes, you are giving right answer. 5 is alone here. One more 5 should be here to make it a perfect square. Perfect square, a square number. That is, स्क्वायर नंबर बनाने के लिए आपको आपके पास पेयर्स होने चाहिए. 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So we will get then 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. One more 5 will be here. Then we can say like this is a perfect square. Multiply it. 900 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Right? अब क्या find out करना है? Square root. Square root of 900. That means square root of this. So 2 will be written single time. Then 3. It will come outside the square root. Then 5. That is 30. 30 will be answer here. Question number 6 is also same. Here. Question number 6 is also same. For each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be divided so as to get a perfect square. Right? Here you are to tell the smallest number by which the given number should be divided. Previous question में आपको multiply बताना था, that by which number it should be multiplied. इसमें आपको बताना है कि किससे divide करें, that to make it a perfect square. Right? And then also find out the square root of this square number. So obtain, और जो square number आएगा उसका आपको square root find out करना है. Right? And the number is given 252. 252. Firstly, let's do the prime factorization. It will go on 2. Again, it will go on 2. Again 2. Sorry, 3. Then 3. Then 7. Now we can write down 252 as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Okay. So by which number this number should be divided? It should be divided by 7 because 7 is alone. It's not forming pair. Pair में सिर्फ 7 नहीं है. 2 is in the pair, 3 is in the pair. 7 pair में नहीं है. We will say that this number should be divided by 7. So 252, if it will be divided by 7, then what will be left here? Only 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 36. Right? That is 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now, this 36 is the required square number and will divide, and the 7 number is the smallest whole number by which the given number should be divided. After that, we got the square number 36. Now we'll find out the square root. How to find out square root? Take out the numbers outside the square root and it will be written in pairs. Outside it will be written in single time. Right? Why we should here not multiply? Mehak, we have not multiplied here because in question it's given that you are to tell the smallest number by which it should be divided to make it a perfect square. Right? In fifth question, it was written that find out the number by which the given number should be multiplied to make a perfect square. तो वहां पर हमने multiply किया. Here it is given कि किससे divide करें, so we divided here. Okay. Let's do another part of it. Then it will be more clear. The next part is 2925. You have to tell by which number this number should be divided. So firstly, we'll make the prime factorization. It will not go on 2 because it's not even. So let's check 3. 9 to 11 to 11 and 2 13 and 5 18. Yes, it will go on 3. 9 7 5. Again it will go on 3 3 2 5. Now 5 to 7, 3, 10. No, it will not go on 3, so it will go on 5. 65. Again 5, 13. The last one is left, 13 here now. So we can write down 2925 as 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 13. Right? So 13 is here separately. It's not forming any pair. So by which number this number should be divided? By 13. So we will divide 2925 by 13 to make it a perfect square. Then the prime factorization will be 3 into 3 into 5 into 5, right? And when you will divide, you will get it 225. Okay, when you will divide it by 13, you will get 225, and it will be 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Now we'll find out square root. So 3 into 5 is equal to 15, and this is answer here. Now let's do 7th question. Question number 7 is, the students of class 8 of a school donated rupees 2401 in all. That means total rupees donated by the class 8 is 2401 for Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. Each student donated as many rupees as the number of students in the class. जितने स्कूल क्लास में स्टूडेंट्स हैं उतने ही रुपीस पर पर्सन पर स्टूडेंट ने डोनेट किए हैं. लाइक अगर 40 स्टूडेंट्स हैं क्लास में तो कितने डोनेट हुए? 40. फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इन द क्लास. अगर 40 स्टूडेंट्स हैं तो हर पर्सन ने 40 रुपीस डोनेट किए, हर स्टूडेंट ने. So you are to tell, find the number of students in class. Okay, first of all we will let the number of students in class is equal to x. सबसे पहले हम लेट करेंगे number of students as x. ठीक है? So now they are saying अगर x students हैं तो हर student ने कितने रुपीस डोनेट किए? x, right? So each student donated is equal to rupees x, right? Now according to question we will make the statement first. See, अगर एक क्लास में 40 स्टूडेंट है, ठीक है, तो एक स्टूडेंट कितने रुपीस डोनेट करेगा? 40. टोटल स्टूडेंट कितने हैं? 40. तो 40 स्टूडेंट कितने डोनेट करेंगे? 40 into 40. Same here we are to do here. Same here also. If there are x student in a class, one student is giving x rupees, then x student is giving x multiply x rupees, and in total it's given 2401. That means x squared is equal to 2401 here, right? Any query up to this? Here we are to find out x now. Here we are to find out x now. So what will be x here? If x square is equal to 2401, then x will be square root of 2401. Now we will find out square root here. ठीक है, x square 2401 है, that means it's a square number. तो x क्या आ जाएगा? Square root of 2401. Now we'll do the prime factorization here. By which number it will be divided? 4, 2, 6 or 1, 7. It will not be divided by 3. Even है नहीं, 2 पे तो जाएगा नहीं. Then 3, no. 4, again it's not even. 5, it will not be divisible by 5 also. Then 6, no, it's not even. 7 check करते हैं. 7 3s are 21, 3 left. 7 4s are 28, 2 left. 21, 7 3s are 21. Again it will go on 7. 7 fours are 28 and 6 left. 7 nines are 63. Again it will go on 7 and then 7. So we can write down 2401 as 7 into 7 into 7 into 7, right? So here we will find out square root. So what will be the square root here? 7 will come outside. This 7 will come outside. It will be 49. That means number of students is equal to 49. हर स्टूडेंट ने 49 रुपीज दिए, तो 49 into 49 क्या हो गया? 2407, right? Okay. So number of students is equal to 49. Next question is also same, question 8. It's also same. 2025 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. They are saying total plants are 2025 और जितने एक रो में प्लांट हैं उतने ही जितनी रोज हैं टोटल नंबर ऑफ रोज हैं उतने ही एक रो में प्लांट है. Firstly, let's understand an example. To understand this concept, let's take an example. If I take 3 dots here, ठीक है, 3 dots here और मैं 3 ही rows ले लूँ अगर, so you can see here there are 3 rows और 3 की 3 rows में 3 dots हैं, right? Okay, so it will make a square now. ये क्या बनाएंगी? Square. इनमें टोटल कितनी डॉट्स हैं कैसे पता चलेगा? 3 multiply 3 is equal to 9. Total dots are 9. As number of rows is 3, number of column is 3, so total dots will be 9 here. The same thing we are doing here also in this question number 8 also. कि अगर आपके पास x plants हैं, ठीक है, x ही number of rows हैं, तो ये क्या हो जाएंगे आपके पास टोटल प्लांट्स. एक रो में x प्लांट्स हैं, ठीक है, तो टोटल x रोज में कितने प्लांट्स हो जाएंगे? x मल्टीप्लाई x. सेम थिंग वी आर गोइंग टू डू हियर. सो विल लेट हियर, लेट नंबर ऑफ रोज is equal to x. The number of plants in one row is equal to x. Then total plants is equal to x multiply x, which is given 2025, right? We can write down here x square is equal to 2025. Again it's same. To find out x, we have to do the square root of 2025 and we'll use here prime factorization method. 5 to 7 or to 9, it will go on 3, 6, 7, 5. Again 3, 5. Again 3, 75. Again 3, 25. Then 5 and 5. So we can write down 2025 as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now we will find out square root of 2025. कैसे square root find out करेंगे? 3 into 3 into 5. One more 5 is here, sorry. Right? So it will be 5 here now. 3 into 3 into 5 is equal to 45. That means number of plants, number of rows is equal to number of plants in one row is equal to x, that is 45. Right?